Well, here at Mystery Ranch, we do a lot of work for the military, for firefighters, for professional ski patrols, and a lot of that work is pretty gratifying because we're serving people in the field who have real needs as users, and they use our packs hard pretty much every single day in their job. So that feeling of mission is really part of what makes working here at Mystery Ranch special.
Finished it! We use materials that are very strong. We use a 500 denier Cordura, which has a great strength to weight ratio, abrasive resistant, water resistant, good quality fabric that we can really stand behind and give a lifetime warranty. Mystery Ranch is great, dog-friendly company. Lots of people bring their dogs to work. It makes a stress-free work environment. Lulu loves to be here too, which is pretty cool.
Best thing about Mystery Ranch working here is the people coming to work and working with a bunch of different people and everything. It's really awesome. So. And everyone's really nice, so.
You ask the question, how can I strike a balance? Nobody can strike a balance. All you can do is realize what you are, and in that, there's natural balance.